the idea that pans out that takes us up into this level. This is only a 50-minute chart. If we drop down to a 5-minute chart, more setup. Fair value gap in here. From this candle's high to this candle's open, very small one. Trades down into it, rebalance to a bullish order block. Expands on the upside. We have a fair value gap here. Trades down to it. Does it go beyond it? Yes. Where's it trade into? The bullish order block. Where's your stop going to be? It needs to be below a swing low. It wouldn't be anywhere near here. It wouldn't got stopped out. We have nothing else in here. Yeah, nothing else in here. And after that, expands on the upside. So, how could you use this information in the setup for TGIF? If you're looking at like fair value gaps down here, okay, we trade below this low here, which is all that's necessary, trading to that low. We get it here and here. You could have got that fill on the upside. We can take a fib. Here's our, if this is the setup we're going to be using, fair value gap. If we trade to that price point up to the 30 level, I'll do the 20 level in a second, but here's our unrealized dealing range, equilibrium. So your setup has to form between this low and the equilibrium price point. Okay, if we see a signal up here, it's lower probability. It can be there, but it's less likely to pan out. Your fair value gap, your bullish order block, your optimal trade entry, okay, those will be better from this price point and under to here. And every setup I just gave you was in that discount market. From this level down to your projected entry, this is a discount. This is where it's high probability for it to expand up. If we drop it down to the 20 level, which is here, it's really obviously equilibrium's here. It's still, we can get the fair value gap here. We can get the fair value gap here. And that's it. We missed a boat on everything else. Nothing else in here. But it allows you opportunity to expand and get range. Now, I probably went really fast with all that stuff, but trust me, we'll see a lot more of that. I introduced the unrealized dealing range last week, and I know a couple people have already emailed me. I don't understand the unrealized dealing range. You won't. I only talked about it just last week. Okay, think about how much time we've talked about fair value gaps. That's why you're here, to learn. Let me teach you. But it's going to be on my pace, not yours. I'm not going to cut corners for people. Everything is delivered the same way. Through the lessons. When it's applicable with real examples, you can see it. It's not contrived. It's not the bones about what it is. And I'll show you with many examples and more insights as we go. Just trust the process.